Hello everyone, in this video we'll show you how to install our aftermarket car radio for a Civic. We'll start by using a tool to take off the trim pieces on the both sides. After that, take apart the air conditioner panel using a tool and unplug the connections at the back. Now we'll use a screwdriver to remove the two screws. Next, remove the old radio and begin disconnecting the wires. Remove the wirings from the old radio here. These cables need to be unplugged by pressing the latch. Do the same for the rest of the cables. Let's move these white clips over from the old trim to the new one. For this step, use a tool to remove and be careful while doing it. Once you remove them successfully, put them onto the new radio frame. Let's hop in the car and I'll show you how to connect the wire. First, we need to determine what type of radio wiring your car has. If your radio plug looks like this, you'll need to use this separate radio cable to connect it. If your original car radio plug looks like this, then you need to connect it in this position. This radio wire is inside the power cable. Please refer to the installation guide to see if the original car has a radio amplifier. If it does, please install this cable. This interface is on the right side of the car's rear seat. For details, please refer to the paper installation guide. Next is the connection of the USB cable. If there are two original USB cables, connect directly to the two USB cables we deliver. If there is only one original USB cable, use a combination of one original and one USB extension cable for connection. This demonstration vehicle has two original USB cables, so we will connect them directly. These two cables, we don't need to use them, you can put them aside. Next, we connect other cables. Here you can insert according to the size of the socket. If it cannot be easily inserted, it means that it is not connected with the socket. One of these three plugs is connected to the original rear view cable. If you want to use the original car's rear view camera system, you need to connect this wire to the rear view cable. If your car has a right blind spot assist camera, you need to find the cable with the R camera mark and connect it to the CVBS in the RCA cable. This demonstration vehicle does not have the right rear view, so it does not need to be connected. These two cables are air conditioning information cables. The installed product only needs to be connected to the cables of the corresponding plugs. We found these two sockets for the CAN bus box connection line. You can see that it is a large and a small one. We choose a small socket for connection. Then we connect the cables to the device in turn. The cable at the bottom of the device is the airbag light socket. Connect it to this position of the car. Next, we first connect the radio jack. Finally, connect the power cable to the device. Here, you need to pay attention. If your car model has a fiber optic audio system, you need to plug in this box. This white socket is connected to this place of the original factory, and these two plugs are connected to audio out in the RCA cable, otherwise there will be no sound. If your model does not have a fiber optic audio system, you can remove this box and do not need to connect the remaining cables.